Most people are trying to make money online with the wrong mindset. They start by asking, what product should I sell? What niche should I pick? What platform should I use? But that's not the correct order at all. Money online doesn't come from the perfect logo or website or business idea. It comes from helping a real person solve a real problem, whether they're saving time, avoiding pain, or making a better decision, or getting closer to something they already want. So in this video, I'll show you how to make your first $100 online in 2026 using things you already know and things you already do. And if you're serious about building online money skills with this right mindset, subscribe to Money Via Mind, where we help you build with clarity, not confusion. For this video, we'll connect this to affiliate marketing because one of the easiest beginner-friendly ways to earn online is helping the right people find the product that already exists. But this applies to almost any business. Let's get into it. The first thing that I want you to do is to stop looking for a product and start looking for a person. This is a mistake a lot of beginners make. They say, I need to sell something. Well, before you sell anything, I want you to ask this instead. Who do I want to help? That one question is going to change everything for you. Because when you start with a product, you usually end up forcing it on people. But when you start with a person, you begin to notice what they already need. For example, let's say you work around electronics. Maybe you sell phones, headphones, computers. You might think, I don't have an online business. But every day you hear people ask questions like, which phone has the best camera? Which laptop is good for school? Are these headphones worth it? Those questions are the clues. That is the customer showing you they have a problem. Now, instead of thinking, I need to create a product, you can think, I can help people make better buying decisions. That could become content. That could become a comparison video. That could become a short TikTok. The product then comes later. The person comes first. And this is how a beginner can start seeing online income differently. You don't have to invent anything brand new. You just have to start paying attention to problems people already have. The next thing I want you to do is to start using the things you already do. A lot of people think they need to learn some new secret skill, build a complicated website, or become an expert in some field overnight. But your first $100 might be closer to your normal life than you think. Think about it. What are the things that you already do now? Do you shop online often? Do you watch product reviews? Do you help people pick outfits? Do people ask you about fitness, budgeting, tech, gaming? Those things can be a good starting point. For example, someone who shops online a lot could start noticing product problems. What do people complain about in reviews? What do buyers wish they knew before purchasing? That person could then create content like 3 things to check before buying this product. Best budget version versus expensive version. What I would buy again and what I would avoid. Now connect that to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service using your special link. And if someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. But the key is affiliate marketing works best when it's helpful. Not when you spam links, not when you promote random products. It works when you help a person make a better decision and then guide them. So your job is not to just drop a link. Your job is to build trust by saying, here's who this is for. Here's who this is not for. Here's what I like. Here's what to watch out for. Then here's a better option if you're on a budget. That is valuable. You just need to be honest, useful, and a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. In fact, we made a complete free guide on affiliate marketing that people are using right now to make money. Check that out in the description if you want. The next point I want to mention to you guys is that you do not need to be an expert to help someone. This is a big thing holding people back. It's the belief that they are not qualified. They say, why would anyone want to listen to me? But you do not need to be an expert to help someone. You just need to be useful. There is a difference. An expert knows everything about the topic. A useful person helps someone take the next step. For example, you don't have to be a certified financial advisor to share how you start budgeting your grocery spending. You should not give financial advice or tell people what to do with their money, but you can share your experience, your system, and what helped you stay organized or what mistakes you made in the progress. You do not have to be a professional stylist to show someone how to build simple outfits. If you can answer questions honestly, then you can help someone. And when you help someone, you create trust. Trust is what makes affiliate marketing work and online income work. Because people do not just buy products, they buy confidence, they buy clarity, they buy guidance. Your content becomes a bridge between a customer and the product. Now, here's a first $100 online formula that you can follow. Let's make this practical. First, pick one person. Don't try to help everyone, just be specific. For example, it could be college students who need a budget laptop, beginners who want to start working out at home, new creators who need affordable equipment. Second, pick one problem. What are they struggling with? Maybe they don't know what to buy. Maybe they're overwhelmed with too many options. Maybe they're scared of wasting money. Third, find one helpful product or solution. This could be an affiliate product, a software, a tool you created, a course, or a physical item. The key is simple. The product should actually help them solve the problem. Don't pick something just because it pays well. Pick something that helps the person and makes sense for them. Fourth, create a simple page to send them to. This could be a basic landing page, a blog post, a product review page. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to explain the problem, show the solution, and give the people a place to click. Fifth, I want you to create simple content that leads people to the page. Your content can be simple. Before you buy this, check these 3 things. Best beginner tool for how to start with under $50. The goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to help the right person make a better decision. And final step is to repeat. Your first video may not make any money. Your first page may not get a lot of clicks. Your first link may not convert. That doesn't mean it failed. It means that you're learning. You're learning what people care about, what questions they ask, what content gets attention, and what products actually solve their problems. Your first $100 online usually comes from building the habit of helping people consistently and giving them a simple place to take the next step. That's it for making your first $100 online in 2026. Pay attention to what other people are asking about. You already may be closer to an online business idea than you think. If you want a structured place to start and follow these steps, check out the free guide that we have on affiliate marketing. And if you're serious about building online money skills and building the right mindset to help you succeed, subscribe to Money Via Mind, because this channel is here to help you build with clarity, not confusion. See you in the next video.